everyone, I'm back with another review video on Rapid Mobile Commission. So what this is in a nutshell. So in short, you will be earning commissions. You will be making sales from your mobile. Yes, you will be doing affiliate marketing from your mobile, from getting your links approval, getting your offers, to creating your videos, uploading your videos to YouTube channel, and even creating bonuses, each and everything on your mobile. You don't need any laptop or you don't need any computer for that. You can start now, you can start today with just your mobile, whether it's iPhone or your Android. Both of them are covered in this training. So let's see how actually it will work out for you. So this is a sales page which you can see right now. Rapid mobile commissions. Are you feeling frustrated online and getting zero results? Complete newbie secretly banks $131 online every day without a computer, using free traffic and no website. And now it's your turn. This is a sales page. Do visit the sales page on your own time to get more details. I will tell you the bonuses you are getting along with this product is direct VIP support, access to the creators. So as a customer, you will get DM access to all of us. We are making ours available directly to you to ensure your success. So it's worth $2,000. You will be in contact with them personally, which will be quite very effective for you. And bonus number 2 is exclusive behind the scenes look into how we made $43,000 in 7 days. So it's a case study. The other one is bonus number 3, free high ticket training worth $1,997. We have compiled a training that cost us $1,997 to attend and decided to give this to you as a bonus. We paid a high price as you don't have to. So this is included. Another is unfair advantage in business and life custom training. Learn how to take life by the horns and become successful in your internet marketing business. Bonus. Another one is instant approval to promote rapid mobile commissions, up to $300 in commission per sale when you promote rapid mobile commissions. And now you have the tools to do it, which is $97. So these are all the bonuses. It comes with 30 days money back guarantee, so you're not risking anything. You still have enough time to decide whether it's working out for you or not. So let's quickly jump into the members area. So this product is from my colleagues, my mentor Saurabh, Bill, Ang, Sid, and Dan. So it's beautifully put up together for you. So as I said, you just need your mobile phone and you are good to go. Doesn't matter it's Android or iOS. So you get welcome video by Dan. Yeah, the welcome video is by Dan. Then when we go to the main training, you have intro by Bill. Then you have overview by Bill. Then he will tell you what the tools required for iOS. So if you have iPhone, what are the available tools you need for to get started with launch jacking through your phone. Then the tools for Android, then finding of offers. So Sid will take you inside Warrior Plus account, JVZoo account, and he will tell you which are the high quality product, which are the products which are all based on software, and which are information based product, which are worth promoting. So he will take you inside and explain everything to you, so you don't need to worry, because most of the product in Warrior Plus nowadays are not worth promoting. They are mind my language shitty products, most of them, because I'm in affiliate marketing, so I know what kind of products sometimes we come across, and they are really wasting the time of ourselves and our customer. So you don't have to go through that. You're getting full training for that over here. Then getting approval and review access. So of course, if you are someone who is a newcomer, getting your link approved is not as easy as we are getting approval now, because there is lots of competition and the vendors are highly vigilant in terms of approving your link. So what are the gigs you need to do for your getting link approval, and how to get the review access? That means the product you are promoting, how to actually get the access to that product so that you can review that product to the consumers. Everything Sid will explain that. Then creating thumbnail, which is for YouTube video, that the cover photo for your YouTube video. So each and everything I'm talking around right now will be done on your phone. You do not need any laptop or computer on you for doing this. Just phone and you are good to go. And then upload YouTube video, how to upload it on your phone, mobile phone. Conclusion, they have case study for you, that how they have been doing this from their phone and earning good commissions. Then yes, creating your own bonus. Again, I said the bonuses will be created on Google Doc from your phone. So even that is explained in here by Saurabh, I guess. Yes, Saurabh is explaining. No, I think Bill is explaining this one. So yes, he will be taking you through the Google Doc and telling you how you can create your own bonuses, which you will be giving to the customers through your videos, so that you get the leads. So each and everything is being covered right here. So in short, this is all I do every day: affiliate marketing, reviewing videos. So these are the basic requirements for creating the review video and presenting in on our YouTube channel. So the traffic you will be getting is from YouTube channel, which is really very powerful in terms of growing fast, rapidly in affiliate marketing. So yes, if you are worried about laptop or computer and you want to start affiliate marketing and earn as little as $50 to $100 a day, you can go with this product. It's quite very helpful for you, for newbies like you. These are all my mentors. They are my colleague from Ministry of Freedom. So I know what good information they have put up in this product altogether. So mobile is very handy, easy to go, as few months ago my laptop shut down on me, as affiliate marketing is what all I do. So I couldn't upload my video for continuously 2 weeks. Was getting very anxious about my channel ranking and the content I was not able to upload. I was not able to earn any commission, so was very worried about that. But now, as came across this brilliant idea about doing affiliate marketing through our phone, I think I will never miss a chance of promoting the products again and doing in what I'm doing right now. So this is all about rapid mobile commissions, members area. Let's quickly jump into the bonus page and also the front end price of this product. So bonuses will give you a huge amount of traffic, free built in buyers traffic for you, so that you don't need to worry about getting your channel ranking or getting leads in terms of email marketing if you wish to do that further. So let's jump quickly into my bonus page. Alright, so front end price of this product is $12.95, which is access to powerful rapid mobile commission software and training modules. The upsell one is pro version, which is $27. Get advanced training, proven converting campaigns, and even more hacks to convert up to 10 into higher. Then the other one is upsell 2, done for you money makers, which is $37. Downsell is $27, so you're saving $10 on that. And pro version is $17. So if you would like to go for an upgrade, I will recommend pro version with the downsell price. Like you are getting more of the things to do in just $2-3 more. Then the money makers, this is virtually a done for you setup of the system. Get all the done for you campings you need to basically plug into the front end system, cut your work time by 10 into and start profiting even faster. Upsell 3 is traffic mastery, which is $67. So this is basically an all-in-one solution for all your traffic needs. Dan teaches you how to leverage the hottest social media platforms to drive as much traffic as you want. If you struggle with traffic, this will definitely help you out. This product usually sells for $97 as a standalone product. So it's for $67. Downsell is $47. Upsell 4 is unlimited traffic, which is $97. Downsell is $67. Upsell 5 is resellerize, so you can sell the product as it is. Rapid mobile commission, start banking into more commissions. Everyone knows the true path to profit is by having commission. So here it is. Then when you will click the link which is in the description below, you will come to the page which look like this is my bonus page. When clicked on this link over here, it will take you to the sales page. Once you buy the product, you will get a Warrior Plus receipt. In the purchase history, you just have to click on rapid mobile commission. You will get this receipt. Click on this blue button. Once you click on that, you will get this page. You have to fill in your email address. You will get this page. Then click on any of these yellow buttons. You will get access to all my bonuses. Coming back to my bonuses, you are getting access to goodwill. So now, if you are wondering that you have everything sorted but you don't have bonuses to give away to the customers so that you can gather leads or so that you can make them buy your products, don't worry about that. You are getting access to these bonuses just on the front end price. So you're getting access to goodwill. This is a right of giveaway bonuses, so you are getting around 35 bonuses to give away. This product is by Brendan Mays. So after you gave away these bonuses, even if any of the customers buys the upsell of the bonuses which you gave away, you are the one who will be getting the commission for that. So it's 2-in-1. You get the right of giving away and plus you're earning commissions. Quite very amazing. Other one is learn how to use Clickbank. So this is another affiliate market network apart from Warrior Plus and JVZoo. It's quite very interesting. You don't have to wait for the link approval. You get instant link approval, and you can it targets on n number of niches, like if you are planning to promote something, diet food or pet products or hair products or beauty products, it covers each and everything. So learn how to use Clickbank through this tutorial course. Then how to use Instagram influencers. This is again another product by Jonah Armstrong. So in this you will come to know that as we all know, the Instagram influencers have around 1 million subscribers, 1 million followers. So how to use these influencers and get their followers to buy your product and get huge amount of traffic. It's all in this product you will come to know. You will learn from here. Then you're getting access to Nova. So Nova again is a game changer. It works together with TikTok to get completely free marketer traffic. As you all know how TikTok is trending nowadays. Now TikTok itself is expensive to advertise on. So learn how to get free traffic from TikTok. So this is only available for first 12 hours. This product is launching on 25th of July. So after that you are just getting access to first 12 hour. It will be taken down after that. So the clock is ticking, please bear in mind. The other one is all vendor bonuses in the members area. So this page will be coming down on 5 days after the product is launched. So 25th it's launching. So I think 30th of July it will come down, it will expire. So this is all about rapid mobile commission, my review. Hopefully you will enjoy this product, enjoy this bonuses which I'm giving on top of the product. It will give you free traffic. You will learn so many things apart from just launch jacking, how to get traffic from Instagram or TikTok. And of course you're getting free bonuses to give away. So it's all in one package for you. Please do subscribe to my channel before you go. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.